This is the 2023 Jeep Compass, and my colleague Jennifer Geiger recently had a chance to drive it. Here are her thoughts.
When I first drove the 2022 Jeep Compass, its slow, inefficient, and awkward powertrain was a major letdown. Fast forward to 2023 and there's a new standard engine, but not so fast, it's not great. This year, the old model's 177 horsepower 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine is swapped for a turbocharged 2-liter four-cylinder that makes 200 horsepower, a bit more than last year. It's now paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission instead of the previous 6-speed for front-drive models and 9-speed for four-wheel drive models. Also, four-wheel drive is standard for 2023, as is the previously optional 10.1-inch infotainment screen, a driver drowsiness monitor, and a rear seat reminder. On paper, all of those extras sound impressive and should go a long way toward making the compact SUV a standout in the class. But in reality, the new engine is a deal breaker. It manages to feel simultaneously peppy and sluggish. From a stop, acceleration is definitely livelier than the outgoing setup. Its responsiveness is a big step up from last year. However, power delivery is a problem. It lacks smoothness. After a bit of lag, takeoffs feel abrupt and are tough to modulate. This combination of a hair trigger gas pedal and the turbo lag means that accelerating smoothly is pretty hard. Stopping is no better due to its touchy brake pedal. The resulting feel is an unsettling jerkiness that's further compounded by the Compass's shuddering stop-start system. The previous Compass I drove was equipped with an unpredictable 9-speed automatic transmission, with shifts that were at times lazy and at other times hasty. Like a bad case of deja vu, the 8-speed echoes this behavior. After crashing through the lower gears at takeoff, mid-range power delivery then becomes inconsistent, and it often left me waiting. The 8-speed sometimes held gears too long, and these delayed shifts made me wonder if I was accidentally in the manual shift mode. I wasn't. Also, this new engine sounds very strange. At idle, there's an unrefined clatter and vibration that reminds me of a diesel. Once you get up to speed, it quiets down until deceleration, where it burbles like an injured sports car. One bright spot is in fuel economy, which is better for 2023. The new engine gets a bump of 2 miles per gallon, which is more in line with competitors such as the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4. But the Compass isn't all bad. As with last year's model, there's a lot to like inside for 2023. I tested the top Trailhawk trim and its cabin was lovely, with convincing fake leather seats and classy gray fabric trim with blue contrast stitching on the doors and dash. Everything looked and felt high quality. That carries over to the infotainment system, which has long been a favorite of mine. As with the 2022 model, the Uconnect 5 touchscreen system is easily the best thing about the Compass. The bigger 10.1-inch screen is standard on all trims this year, and it's highly customizable, responsive, and really straightforward to use. What's more, wireless Android Auto connection was seamless for me, and the system can connect multiple devices via Bluetooth for extra flexibility. I thought the 2022 Compass's powertrain was long overdue for an overhaul. Unfortunately, the new engine only creates more problems. The 2023 Jeep Compass continues to lag compact SUV competitors in both responsiveness and refinement. To read my full review, head to cars.com. For more expert reviews, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.